Hello, welcome to Dan Talks Money. Today's topic is cryptocurrency and shares. So, shares and crypto, where do you start? What's the difference? Well, shares and stocks, you're looking at company ownership. Crypto, God, that's a minefield. I think I'm just investing most of the time in the hope that all the articles that I'm reading come true. Crypto is much more volatile. You can see like 20-30% gain, or it just goes up to the moon, as they say in cryptoverse, or you can just like bounce straight back down. At the moment, the last couple of days, we have seen a massive decline in crypto sales, and I've jumped on the bandwagon a little bit and bought a bit more because it was a lot cheaper than what I bought it at originally about a month ago. So the same I could probably say for the shares. So the shares have taken a big tumble lately, all due to Covid. Was I worried? Probably was when I first started investing at dips, but doing some research, looking at YouTube videos, just having a little bit of education, I found out that the best way to save going forward is gonna be averaging out my buy-ins. So I think they call it like dollar cost averaging in America. I just call it, I'm just going to buy every month. I'll just put some money in rather than throw in my lump sums of money at it. Now, the tools that I do use best, I suppose, are the graphs. So, you just get yourself onto Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, and have a little look for a company that you believe could do really well going forward from the day that you want to buy it, and just have a little look at the timeline on there and see where the dips are, where the spikes are, where it is at the day that you want to purchase it. So I have bought some dips, as they call falling knives, one of them being Cineworld, massive cinema company. My husband said, "Oh my God, no, stay away from cinemas. It's a dying era." But hey, I still love going to the cinema. Just because he doesn't mean that I don't and you don't. So I bought into Cineworld at 73p. It's currently trading around 50p. There's a lot of work to do there. A lot of negative press. But, with such a large company, I feel it was the right purchase for me, and I believe that they are going to make a turnaround. I'm not investing for a quick buck, and if I do, then I'll just sell and I'll buy something else if I think that it's maxed out for me. So, yeah, have a look at the average. Think about where you see this company in the future. I know one of my friends, she's invested in this pod company because she believes that electric car charging points are going to be rife in the future. Everyone's going to want one. And yeah, she's right. There probably are a lot of companies out there, mind, that are installing electric charging points to homes now. So it's just picking the right one. But for her, she believes in that company, and she's invested in it. And obviously I have had a chat with her as well about averaging it out every month rather than chucking in a couple of hundred all in one go. Just keep that money in the bank and pop it in every week or every month. That way you buy in at the top of the dip, the middle and the bottom. So you're going to get a equal averaged out price that you've paid for the share. Now, crypto, oh gosh, probably now I would say is probably a great time to get in. You've got Bitcoin, massive. Most people have heard of that cryptocurrency, if nothing else. That's dropped from like £50,000 down to around 37 at the moment, with again the scare of Covid. So probably now is a good time. It may dip more, I don't know, but I ain't putting all my eggs in one basket. I'm buying every week, adding to my crypto portfolio, and so far my average price for Bitcoin, I bought once at 50, then I bought at 45, then I bought in at 37. So I could just add all those three up, divide it by 3, and that would give me my average cost of Bitcoin. That way I'm not leaving myself susceptible to a lot of loss, as in if I had put in all the money that I had set aside for Bitcoin in a 50,000, then I'd probably be on the floor crying for a couple of months until it goes back up. So really think about putting it in month. If you have got any views on how you trade, whether it be in crypto or stocks, then please drop me a line. I'm always interested to find out how other people play the market. If you are new, then I will be dropping in some links for the companies that I use. So I use like Free Trade, because they charge very little to nothing for selected stocks. And then I also use Coinbase for buying my crypto, because I believe that's a reputable company. The fees are okay, but you also get the opportunity to earn some free money in there by learning about certain cryptocurrencies. If you would like to sign up to any of these sites, then I will drop my links in the box underneath, and we'll both get a little bonus. So you'll get some free crypto or a free share, or some cash, and I will as well. So we're both off to a head start in the trading world. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching Dan Talks Money, and I'll see you soon.